Welcome back to Discovering Natural, and yes, these are fake glasses. So today, I'm going to do a challenge on trying to wash all of this hair in less than an hour using Naturalicious. This has 3 steps. The first step is to wash it. The second step is for styling and moisturize. And the third step is for frizz, because summer frizz. Step 1, washing with clay.
As we do on every wash day, we first start off with rinsing the hair with water, and we're going to use the Moroccan Rhassoul 5-in-1 clay treatment. This is a clay, so don't expect it to lather. It works as a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, detangler, and a leave-in conditioner. So after applying it on our hair, what I do is I make sure I get it also onto our scalp area. And the reason why you want to do that is that you want to cleanse any product buildup from the scalp. It does a great job in cleansing our hair and also in defining our curls, as you can see. So once again, don't expect it to lather, but it does a thorough job at cleansing the hair. Once done with applying it, you rinse off the hair, and after this, you do want to check to make sure there's no debris left over, and if there is, rinse the hair again. So we're done washing our hair and it's pretty clean, and we just put it in this puff right now. So it's time to moisturize our hair. How are we doing with time? Can you check? Let's see how we're doing with our time.
20 minutes.
20 minutes, and it's actually less than that, because we were setting up the camera and all that stuff.
So it was probably like 10 minutes.
No, yeah, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah. So now it's time to moisturize our hair and style our hair. So to style our hair, of course, we're going to be using the Naturalicious Moisture Infused Styling Cream. And this is a moisturizer, it's a styling cream, and it's also a heat protectant. So you can use it if you're going to be using it in your hair. So let's see, the consistency is creamy, very loose cream. Okay, so she wants a wash and go. Now this is how she does our wash and go. I'm gonna use this product to do our wash and go. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna section the hair again. So now we're gonna style our hair. There's this new product that was added to our box, and this is the Heavenly Hydration Grapeseed Hair Mist, and it's a conditioning and hair strengthener. So I'm gonna spray it a little bit on our hair before I use the moisturizing styler. And see, it has a nice smell, right? So we're just putting it. How do you like the smell? You like the smell? Yeah? Okay. Let's see.
It smells like chocolate.
So I'm gonna take a little bit of it, put it on the ends of our hair, right here, and then I'm gonna put it on this section, and then we're gonna start walking small by small. You know what small by small is? Little by little. Okay, and applying it to our hair. We're just taking a little bit more. I'm using my finger to distribute it. So after I put the cream on my on our hair, then I take the oil, and this is their Moisture Lock Frizz Fighting Oil. Can you open it? Okay. And the oil, I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, and I'm gonna put it on top of that. So after I'm done with one section, I'm just going to twist it off until I'm ready to work on the other section. So we're just going to twist it. So she has multiple textures, so doing a wash and go, our hair has multiple textures. So this is one way where we reduce the shrinkage by twisting the hair up while we moisturize the other one, and then when we're done twisting it up, we'll now continue working on the other section of hair. You like that?
Mm-hmm. mom's done styling my hair and it's been 39 minutes.
Yeah, so it's 39 minutes and I put her hair in this chunky twist. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna let it dry a little bit, and then she wants her hair out. So yeah, but we really like this product. I love the smell of it. You like the smell? So we love the smell of it, and our hair feels so soft and so moisturized. So she's gonna have her hair this way for a while, right? Okay, so I think we're good to go now. Yeah, you can press stop. So you can press stop. So how long did it take you to wash your hair?
Like kind of, it's not like 40 minutes because we were staying up, so it's like 25 minutes.
Well, it's actually less than 40 minutes because we were actually in the process of setting up. But I hope you guys try out these products, and we're gonna show you the final result of how our hair looks in the coming clips. So make sure you guys thumbs up this video, and what are they gonna
subscribe
and share the love.
Yeah, share the love.